Great Salt Lake, like a lot of lakes in America, are really low. You see people walking out there. It took a lot of good years to get these lakes back up. Out here on the northwest corner of Antelope Island and the Great Salt Lake here. Tons of snow this winter. The lake is still really, really low. And that's looking towards Ogden. It's looking pretty much dead west. And back south. You can see how low it is in that cove there. March 2023 out in Salt Lake City area. I lived out here 7 years and I never did this when I lived here. I always wanted to head out here. And I got to put some miles on this bike before the 600-mile service, so I figured I'd head out to Antelope Island. Antelope Island is no longer an island because the Great Salt Lake is so low. On these western lakes, they're all just so low. And the Salt Lake here feeds all that snow in the western side of the Wasatch that drains down into the Great Salt Lake, but all the water is being used for people, irrigation, whatever, so there's none left to get to the lake. Here we go. Okay, this is rad. That's looking northeast, and that is Fremont Island over there. I guess Diesel Dave's Fremont Island. And Bear Lake is way over that way, over the mountains. Up in Idaho and Wyoming at the very tippy top northeast corner of Utah. A lot of that water is being used for irrigation, so this north side of the lake is a lot lower. And because of the causeway for the railroad that was built, it didn't allow water to freely flow to the north properly. So the north end is really low. And the south end, the south, which is all that, is fed by Provo, Utah Lake, and all the west side of the Wasatch there. But what's cool to see is the color differences of the north side and the south. The north side is really purple because it got so salty because of the railway causeway that segregated the lakes into the north and south. But hopefully Utah has a really good snow year, which they're at 130% of normal. Hopefully they get 2 or 3 more really big storms here in March, April, and put them up. All the states need to get way up, but you can see it's been really cold this winter, and some of the low-lying fresher water is frozen there. But the brownish green water heading from the south to the more purple north side of the lake, and it's good to see water moving like that because it means the lake's filling up.